Good morning, I'm Lindy Hewson. I'm editor of PK and Packaging News Magazine, and I'm here at AUSPACK today talking to Stuart Mead from Viking Food Solutions about some of the technology that his company has brought to AUSPACK.
Good morning, Lindy, and welcome to the stand of Viking Food Solutions. Thank you for coming.
That's a pleasure, Stuart. Would you like to share with us some of the innovation that you've brought to AUSPACK?
Certainly, Lindy. The innovation that we've brought along for this exhibition is primarily related to a new bone-in shrink bag that we're bringing to the Australian market.
Has there been demand for that sort of product, obviously, from the meat market?
Yes, there has been. Yeah, in this day and age that we live in, our customers are looking for two things, and that is improved product presentation and extended shelf life, and this new bone-in shrink bag provides both of that.
Do you have an example of it that you could show me?
Yeah, come over to the fridge.
Thanks.
So, Lindy,
What have we got here?
So this is an example of the material packing a bone-in piece of beef.
Yes.
So what we can see here is that the material is wrapped around the bone without the need of any extra bone protection inside the bag.
Would bone protection typically have been used before?
So, yes, that's right. Yeah, previously you always had to use what was called a bone guard material, which was a waxed type of material, normally white. So you can see with a piece of meat like this is a very expensive cut of meat. If you have to have white wax there, it decreases the look of the product. So by having it like this, we can pack it in a shrink bag. It's very tightly wrapped around the piece of meat. You have excellent transparency and gloss, and that's something that the producers are looking for.
And does this help with the shelf life at all?
Certainly it does. So all of the air has been vacuumed out of the bag, and then it's shrunk. So that'll extend the shelf life dramatically of any cut of meat.
Roughly how much would it extend it by?
It will depend on the freshness of the product, and it will vary between different species, but anywhere from 5 to 7 times of what you might achieve in the fridge normally.
Wow. And do you have any other barrier packaging technology that you'd like to share?
Yeah, so this is the same material, Lindy, and it's packing some marinated bone-in ribs. This is a good example of a product that you see commonly on the supermarket shelf now.
Yeah.
And you can just see with the way that it looks, the awesome optical effects, the gloss, the transparency, and the shrink rate. This particular cut is becoming increasingly popular, but the consumer wants to see something that looks great.
And how have retailers responded to this product for themselves?
Oh, it's made a product like this very, very popular, and it's ready to eat. It's ready. It's case ready to go. Yeah.
And how do you put this together? Do you have machinery to support that?
I should say it's not ready to eat. I should say it's ready to be cooked.
Be
cooked. Yes, we do have the equipment.
Okay. Would you like to demonstrate?
Yeah. So this is a vacuum packaging machine.
Yeah.
We have a range of them on display at the exhibition, but starting from a bench type machine, and it's part of the solution of what we offer at Viking Food Solutions, and that is the machine and the materials to go with that. So you can see I haven't got the machine in operation, but that would be a machine that vacuums the air out of the bags and then seals them off, and then they're ready to be displayed.
Do you have these machines in different sizes?
Yes, we do. So you can step right through here. This is a swing lid machine, and we would still class this as a medium-sized machine, going up to full automatic belt machines. We didn't have the room to display them all today.
Sure.
Yeah.
And who's coming to see these machines at AUSPACK?
Yeah, well, we've had a lot of interest. Obviously, being able to send out the VIP invitations was a great advantage. Mm-hmm. So our customers would include small goods companies, beef producers, cheese processing companies, primarily anyone in the food industry that's processing and wanting to extend the shelf life of their product and have it looking great.
Thanks for sharing all of that with us today, and I wish you a really great AUSPACK.